Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I am showing to you 3 ways to hide files in folder in Windows 11. If you want to keep certain files and folders out of people's sight, it's possible to use these 3 ways. So let's start. The first way is to use File Explorer hiding option, like how I will show to you. Now I want to hide this file which has name of stock. Right click on this file. There is no difference between file and folder and hiding. So now click on properties, select hidden option, click on apply and click on OK. Now this file is hidden. If you want to unhide this file, again just click on view and select the last option show, and also click on hidden items. So now this file is unhidden, but something is remain. Like how? Just right click on this file again, select properties and remove this hidden option, click on apply and click on OK. So this was the first way of hiding and showing files in folder in Windows 11. The second way is utilize command prompt. If you like running commands, use a command in command prompt to hide files in folder in Windows 11. Press Windows key and right here cmdr command prompt, right click here, run as administrator. Yes, first you need to copy paste a file or folder which you want to hide. Like I want to hide this folder here, this PC and C drive user, and after this select desktop. I want to hide this folder. If you hide a folder, subdirectories or subfolders and all file also will be hidden. So now first I want to copy paste of this file and move to command line, right here cd space control V, press enter. Now I'm in desktop. So now I want to hide this folder. How you can to do this? Just write here attribute archive plus sign h for hiding, and after this double quotation and file or folder name. Like I want to hide this folder which name has new folder. If you want to hide files instead of folder, just write here file name and dot extension of file. Press enter. So now this folder hide it. How we can to unhide this folder again? Just write here attribute minus sign h, and after this name of folder or file, like this. Press enter. Now look at this folder, it's showing again. So this was the second way of hiding files in folder in Windows 11 using command prompt. After this, I want to show to you the third more secure way to keep file and folders from people. So in this way, you cannot hide files, but you can to create password protector for your file. After this, no one can to view or use or delete your files. So now I want to show to you, like I want to create password for this file stock. Right click here, click on show more option, and here add to archive, and after this click on OK. First, set password for your file. Like I want to type this password and retype your password. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now the main file is remain. Now you need to delete this file and click on save to delete from recycle bin also. So now this file deleted. This file, winrar file, is remain here. No one can view this and no one can edit this. Like when I click on this file, and after this I want to view this file here I need to enter enter, and here you can to view this file. If you want to extract this or convert this from window, just click on extract to, select path, and after this click on OK and write here your password. You will see your main file here. After this you can to delete this stock file. So this was the 3 ways to keep files in folder in Windows 11 from people release. Thank you for watching.